I'm Christopher Gyzemyter, designer and director of CG Design Studio.
I'm Frances Cariou, interior designer with CG Design Studio.
Located about 5 kilometres from the Brisbane CBD, Bulimba is a leafy suburb that is very family friendly, has a lot of parks and is a really great place to live.
When we came on board, the clients had undertaken the landscaping and minor interior updates, such as painting and flooring, on their own, but realized they needed professional assistance to reimagine their spaces to achieve their desired aesthetic. Their selections, such as the solid European oak flooring, gave us a starting off point to begin the design process and form the base of the palette.
Crossing through the front courtyard, you enter the main living space, which sets the tone for the interior of the home. You are then drawn through the space to the kitchen and dining room, where the majority of design intervention occurred.
Both of these ground floor spaces flow out onto a generous outdoor living and pool area.
The original floor plan had a small kitchen tucked to one end with a large underused dining space. We reorientated the kitchen to face the garden and maximise the floor area.
We designed a floor-to-ceiling, temperature-controlled wine display holding 270 bottles of our client's collection, the perfect backdrop for any dinner party.
These interventions impart the feeling of a wine bar to the dining room rather than an eating kitchen. The understated simplicity of the kitchen design and its materiality then acted as a touchstone when designing the rest of the home. We created a softer experience in the wet areas, pairing it with Cariou marble. Referencing the burgundy viola veining, we selected statement pieces by Australian artists. We drew upon these to establish the colour palette used in the soft furnishings of the living space and throughout the home. The refinement and simplicity of the spatial planning and design is supported by the careful curation of the materiality and finishes throughout.
Richly veined Calacatta Viola Marble and oak joinery were combined throughout the kitchen and living areas, creating a sophisticated yet grounded space that toes the line between minimalist and maximalist. The robust but minimal joinery anchors the space, allowing the movement and color of the marble to take center stage.
The fully integrated kitchen was complemented by a PITT cooktop cut directly into the bench, allowing for minimal interruption as the eye travels over the bench and rangehood. The viola-clad rangehood conceals a Qasair undercovered exhaust. On the kitchen island, a Franke sink in onyx complements the gunmetal hardware and conceals an incinerator installed beneath. Integration was a key consideration in the appliance selection. Hidden behind oak joinery is a V-Zug CombiCooler refrigerator.
Like all the other appliances, the V-Zug dishwasher is hidden behind an oak panel front. Located next to the sink, it allows for seamless design and maximum functionality. Anchoring the end of the kitchen are the sleek Miele wall ovens. Multifunction in purpose, they round out the elevated cooking experience within the kitchen.
The Winning Appliances team is always extremely helpful to work with. They're knowledgeable and always available to assist us when specifying and drafting our projects. What I'm most proud of when I look around the home today is the refined simplicity of the design. We also couldn't achieve the design outcome without our builders and their dedicated team.
This project is really special to us. We're also exceptionally grateful to our clients for allowing us into their home to help them design this beautiful space for them to enjoy with their family.